Vacuuming is a chore no one enjoys, but robot vacuums in 2025 are smarter, more powerful, and more convenient than ever. Whether you need a budget-friendly option for pet hair or a premium vacuum that does it all, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the best robot vacuums of 2025 and find the perfect one for you. If you're looking for a vacuum that gets smarter as it cleans, the Shark PowerDetect AV2820AE is a fantastic choice. It features AI-powered dirt detection, which automatically adjusts suction power based on how much dust and debris it senses. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, or tile floors, this vacuum adapts to provide a deep and efficient clean. Another huge perk? It comes with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days worth of dust, so you barely have to think about it. Plus, with advanced mapping and no-go zones, you can set it up to avoid delicate areas in your home. If you want a stress-free way to keep your home clean, this is one of the best choices out there. Check the description for the latest deals. Why settle for just vacuuming when you can have a device that vacuums and mops at the same time? The DREAME L50 Ultra Gen 2 is a 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse, equipped with AI-driven LiDAR navigation that maps your home with incredible accuracy. This vacuum doesn't just clean, it learns your home layout and avoids obstacles like cables, furniture, and even pet bowls. The self-emptying dustbin means you don't have to clean it out frequently, and the automatic mop cleaning feature ensures that your floors get a fresh, streak-free shine every time. If you want high-tech cleaning without lifting a finger, this is the vacuum for you. Find the best pricing in the description. If you're looking for an affordable robot vacuum that tackles pet hair like a pro, the ILIFE V3s Pro is a hidden gem. Designed with tangle-free suction technology, it prevents pet hair from clogging the brushes, making it a lifesaver for pet owners. Even at this budget-friendly price, it includes auto-charging, scheduled cleaning, and edge cleaning mode, making it great for getting into corners where dust tends to collect. While it doesn't have fancy AI mapping, it navigates efficiently and cleans well, making it a solid choice if you want a simple, reliable robot vacuum without breaking the bank. Check out the link in the description. For those who want the absolute best in robot vacuum technology, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is as advanced as it gets. This vacuum features reactive AI 2.0, meaning it recognizes and avoids objects in real time, from socks to cables to pet toys. But that's not all. It has dual brush technology, meaning it scrubs twice as effectively as most other vacuums. The automatic water refilling system ensures the mop stays wet while cleaning, and the self-washing and self-emptying dock makes maintenance almost effortless. If you're serious about keeping your home spotless with the most advanced, hands-free technology, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is the gold standard. Find the latest pricing in the description. The eufy L50 SES is perfect if you want a robot vacuum with strong suction power and smart mapping at a mid-range price. It features high-powered suction, ensuring it picks up even deep embedded dirt from carpets. With real-time mapping and no-go zones, you can control exactly where it cleans. It also has smart home integration, so you can use voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant to start or stop cleaning with a simple voice command. If you want a vacuum that balances power, smart features, and affordability, this is a fantastic pick. Check the description for exclusive offers. Whether you need a budget-friendly pet hair remover, a vacuum and mop combo, or a high-tech AI-powered cleaning machine, 2025 has some amazing robot vacuums to choose from. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to watch the full video now and check the description for links to all the featured robot vacuums.